Hi. Welcome back to this channel, which is Ken Academy. Yeah. Okay. Today we are going to learn about physics for grade 10, which is Unit 5. Unit 5 in Alamantinurtna. Yes. Unit 5. Magnetism. You guys, you're grade 10, so you better know what magnet means. What is magnet? Magnet. Okay, as you can see it, magnet is a material or object that produces magnetic field. Magnet ማለት material an object that produces magnetic field, which is responsible for the force that pulls or attracts other materials. So starting from now, magnet ማለት ሆነ material magnetic field ይፈጥር responsible for the force that pulls attracts on other materials. So magnet attracts objects made up of what? Cal iron, cal steel, cal nails, paper clips to attract together. Magnet also can attract or repel other magnets. Other magnets attract gabriel, repel gabriel. Repel gorom tamasasali pole tahaliwom, attract gorom tasarraf to pole tahaliwom. This is all about magnet. Okay, so applications of magnet. Magnets are used in appliance to either hold, has, separate, control, elevate, lift substance. Electrical energy and mechanical energy, like motors, loudspeakers. This is the application of magnet. Mechanical energy now electrical energy غيرولنا بمagnet generators, microphones. As microphone the ድምጽ ዝስማዕ ታይም magnetic property ነው ስለዚህ ተጠቅሚ ካብዚ microphone ደወል ኤሌክትሪክ ቤል ትደወል ተለው እዚኣቶም ናይ magnet ጥቅምታት እዩ ኤሌክትሪክ ምክንያት ኤሌክትሪክ ቫይብሬት ይኮን ቫይብሬሽን ነው ሳውንድ ቀየር ሳውንድ ማለት ቫይብሬሽን ኦፍ ኦብጀክትስ እዩ ስለዚህ magnet ማለት ማቴሪያል እዩ that produce magnetic field responsible for force pull ገብር or attract ገብር ስለዚህ magnet ማለት ማግኔታት attract ገብር repel ገብር ይኽእል ማለት ስለዚህ በጣም ብዙሕ ጥቅም ነው magnet ንኣብነት ማቴሪያላት ናይ ገዛ hold ምግባር separate control elevate ንምልዓል ይጠቅመና changing electrical energy to mechanical ከም motors like motors loudspeakers mechanical energy ድማ ናብ electric energy غير كم generator microphone تعملنا. This is all about magnet briefly. Okay, nice. Examples of different magnetic shapes. هذه أمثلة magnetic shapes. تفعلي زوج النيوم horse show magnet بحال زي ring magnet نا ring أرزلوين زي bar magnet بحال زي S south U and ما northern مالي زي cylindrical magnet بحال this arc magnet na arc ቅርጽ ስለዘሎም ለዋይ ነገር square magnet ይባላል ስለዚህ ማግኔታት ሰፋለየ shape ነው you can see this the horseshoe magnet ring magnet bar magnet cylindrical magnet arc magnet square magnet okay ያው እዚህ ታዩ magnetic material attract ይገብርና other magnet ድማ repel ይገብር ይኽእል attract ይገብር ይኽእል ነና magnet በጣም ብዙ application ለወልና انا ከም ኣብ motors loudspeaker ካብ electrical እና mechanical ዝቀይሩ ከም generator እና microphone ድማ ካብ electrical ናብ mechanical ዝቀይሩ ማለት ካብ electrical እና mechanical energy ዝቀይሩ the applications of magnet okay next okay as you can see this types of magnet has magnet አይነታት ነው ወይ ማለት ኣብ 10 ክፍል magnetism is unit 5 ስለዚህ types of magnet አይነታት magnet ማለት as there are 3 types of magnet تنام جمرات permanent magnet permanent كاوشم قوام زخونه magnet زخلاي temporary magnet ጊዜያዊ magnet electromagnet electrical magnet ማለት ማግኔታዊ ባህሪ ምስ ኤሌክትሪክ ዘሎ ኤግዚስት ይገብር ማለት እዩ ስለዚህ permanent ማለት ቋሚ permanent are made up of magnetic material እዞም permanent ዝበሃሉ ካብ magnetic material ብዙሕ ግዜ ካብ steel has in horse show magnet in bar magnet them ቀደም ዝራና different shapes መብዛሕትኦም ታይም permanent magnet in bar magnet that is magnetized and has its own magnetic field ኣለዎም they are come the bar magnet ገለታት ማለት እዩ temporary ግን they can be magnetized in the presence of magnetic field magnetic field of the low طرح magnetized ዝኾኑ قالت electromagnetic consists of coil نيوم طقلال ገመድ wires wrapped around a metal core made from ironium made ኮይኖም when the coil of wire conducts electric current magnetic field generate ይሆናል ማለት ነው behave like a magnet ስለዚህ መጀመሪያ the coil of wire conduct electric ወይ ደግሞ current ማሐለፍ ተሎ magnetic field is generated making the material behave like magnet ቆን ይገራለው ማለት ነው ስለዚህ the strength of magnetic field can be controlled look the strength of magnetic field can be controlled by controlling the electric current electromagnets are used in electromagnet a generator a motor a transformer a loudspeaker a MRI ማለት ነው ሕክምና መሳርሒ አحዩ magnetic resonance imaging is ባህል ከም magnetic loss እንጥቀማለና ማለት ነው okay this is all about types of magnet okay great let's proceed okay properties of magnet magnet property has magnetat ብዙሕ property ነው the following are the basic properties of magnet when a magnet is dipped in iron filings you can observe that the iron filings can cling the end of magnet something ስለዚህ properties ሁሉ ጊዜ ናዘም magnet in this time poles of magnet ይባላሉ magnetic poles always exist in pairs the magnetic poles ሁሉ ጊዜ pair ሓደ magnet when a magnet cut into two pieces both the pieces will have the north pole and south pole አንተ magnet አፈልተ ተሰይርና ግዴታ ተንስባራቱና على north እና south pole ከሌሉ ማለት ነው when a magnet is suspended freely in mid-air it always points towards the north south u air mid-air ndher suspend ገርናዮ so poles pointing towards geographic north ሆኑ south pole ይባል pointing towards geographic south ሆኑ south pole ይባል ማለት ነው ስለ like poles repel unlike poles attract has the magnetic property like poles repel like ተመሳሰልቱ ዋልታታት ይደፋፉ while unlike poles attract look this is basic thing in this portion look the sentence that I have circled this one like poles repel ተመሳሰልቱ ዋልታታት ይደፋፉ ተጻራርቲ ይሳህ so the magnetic force between two magnets is greater when the distance between them lesser ወይ ደግሞ ለስተል ተለው ማለት ነው ስለዚህ በጣም ተቀራርተሉ magnetic force ይወስድለው ማለት ነው خلبኋላ this is all about properties of magnet هذا ግን it's shortly briefly ተመሳሰልቱ ዋልታታት ይደፋፉ ተጻራርቲ ይሳሃው okay yeah nice this is properties of magnet ያው figure ካለ ዘም ባር magnet የምራይዋን ተውዝኒ attraction ዝል ጽፍነው እዚ north south እዚ ዘም ታገርለተው ምልክት ይሳሐው እዚ properties of magnet እዚ ያው በዲያግራም ንምራይ ዘአክሊው ስለዚህ north south ተውዝኒ ምልክት ራይዋ attract ይሆናል unlike charges attract whereas here ራይዋ north south like charges repel ወይ ደግሞ repulsion force ከዛው እዚ ዝፈጠር ኃይል የዚ repulsion force ተደፋፋ ኃይል አውዝግን attraction force ንምንታይ this is property of magnet opposite poles opposite ኮይኖም attract ይሆኑ similar poles repel similar ድማ repel ይሆኑ ማለት ነው so the diagram ዝብደም ብራይው ያው more clear ኮይነና ለዚህ ስለዚህ continue the properties of magnet እዩ north and south attract ይሆኑ north and north repel ወይ ደግሞ repel south and south when you repel the repulsion force ይፈጠራል ማለት ነው okay Yes, magnetic field. تعيو magnetic field. Magnetic field ما تعود magnet مالته. The magnetic field is produced by the magnet or electric charges at motion. هذا حلف تمرتنا stationary charges أوزريهم electric field يفضل. Moving charges دما أوزريهم magnetic field يفضل. So the magnetic field is produced by the magnet or by electric charges at motion. While electric charges are at motion, they can create a magnetic field around them. So magnetic field is a region around the magnetic material moving electric charge in which a force magnetism acts. Magnetic field means a region where magnetic force is exerted. magnetic field ማለት هذين كلتا تصار توالتازة تسحاوية مسحاوت له حيل يفتر تسحا حيل يفتر البطاقة magnetic field يبعد. So some important properties of magnetic field lines properties. Magnetic field lines property نوع مصابيات. هذا magnetic field lines they never cross each other. Magnetic field lines never intersect. Look this one. Magnetic field lines never intersect. Magnetic field lines of outer magnet بفصل cross أيقوني. They never intercept each other and they form closed loop. Closed loop خلنا بفضل. So لبز حاجة زي magnetic field lines appear to emerge كال north pole appear خلنا terminus خلنا south pole is between outside in the direction of inside the matter they form from south pole to north pole. So the magnetic field lines how they start from away emanate from our north they move to south. Inside the magnet again how south now north transfer with travel go to hello the math معناته. Okay, here we consider properties of magnetic field lines. هذا north south نيرو. هذا لكم how north now south move يقولوا counter move. زي بتدققوا. جد طيب closed loop use لازمنا زي loop is closed. Counters start يقبر أو terminate يقبر أصلا. جد inside part inside the magnet how south now north يخليهم. So that's why closed is one. لازم زي حدي property ما cross هي خالي نعمل cross لغنا قريلة. لازم زي north يا وستاي إذا ردنا له repulsion force نزي أو زي repulsion force as again attract the unlike polysium thousand and north attract خلنا ما لازم كذا diagram زي بس إحنا قرم رأي كعليه. So you're asked what are the properties of magnetic field lines. طبعا مسمارات عودة magnetic بحالهم they never cross each other. They are closed loop. They start from north and terminate at south in the outside part. Inside part ما south now north يخرج. That's why they form closed loop. Okay, yeah. Now we are going to see a topic which is very important: magnetic field of a current carrying wire. Has time. Okay. Current carrying wire has, for example, زي جمد إلكتريكي. حس هاملتي بزي زي بخلطي سايد نحرنا إلكتريك كونت كوينو current carrying wire بحال جمد خانس current تشكمس. إذا current تشكم جمد عاوزر إتاي فترين magnetic field فتر. حس أنا دلنا زوج فتر magnetic field magnitude ما تروح خندقي يوم حالتي. لذي زي ما current carrying wire تبعد current نحت شكيمة. لذا وزري magnetic field فتر magnetic field magnitude هم كنا نجني. So generally speaking, the magnetic field produced due to current carrying wire has the following proportion. It encircles the conductor. Conductor encircle perpendicular to the conductor to distance لما reverse use analysis. لذي زي معريت this one. The B مالت B stands for B. Okay. B stands for the strength of magnetic field. The strength of magnetic field is given by the nu mu na Greek ቃል እዩ constant እዩ ወይ ደግሞ permeability of free space በኋላ እዚኣ ከራዋሕ current I ማለት እዩ I over permeability over the perimeter ናይዛ ክቢ ማለት in circle ስለዝገበ ናይ circle ዙርያ 2 pi r pi ማለት ያው ተፈልጡ ኢኹም ሰራይ ክልተ ብሸውዓተ ዋጊ ዘለና ማቴማቲካል ሓደ important ነገር እዩ ስለዚህ the magnitude of magnetic field እንመለሽ ያው እዚ አንጥቀም ማለት እዩ ለኩ this one እዚ ኩሉ ጊዜ find the magnetic field of a current carrying wire ታልኩም ታም ትገብሩ ታውዚኛ ዋጋ እዚያ permeability of free space ወይ ደግሞ electric constant permeability of free space በኋላ electric constant እዩ magnetic field ብዙሕ ጊዜ እንግለና ስለዚህ okay we can add such as this one the magnetic field of strength is ናይ current carrying wire ዋዚያ ታ current ተሸከመት wire እንላለን እዚያ this is continued magnetic field strength of current carrying wire እዚ current ተሸከም ዘሙ current ሃንዙኒ ስለዚህ magnetic field እዚ in circle ይገረ ይልና magnetic field line ስራይው ያው እዚ right hand rule እና እንትነላ direction of the magnetic field እዚ right hand rule ይባሃል the direction of magnetic field determine መጋይጣመና ተውዝነታ እዩ በተምፕ indicate ገብርና current እዚ conductor ማለት ተውዝነ B ያው ናዘማ ዝኔው finger ዘም fingers ሳይም ከmagnetic field ይም consider ልግበሩ ስለዚህ ሳዩ እዚያ current ተሸከመት ወያያ አይዚያ magnetic field ሆነለግኝ ስለዚህ ታውዝኒያ magnetic constant ከራህ ተሸከመት current አብለዕሊ 2 pi r ዙሪያ ናይ ክቢ ናዘውዝኒያ ክቢ ያው in circle ስለዝኾነ ናይዚ ዙሪያ ገርና ስለዚህ example ወይ exercise ከመስራህ Otherwise exercise an infinitely long wire has a current of current containina 3 ampere 3 ampere current passing through it calculate the magnetic field at distance has it has a current shikam wire to magnetic field 2 cm away from the wire ስለዚህ given ናዩ ስለዚህ given ና current ና 3 ampere radius ና 2 cm ና ሜትር ተቀየርተሎ 0.02 ሜትር ብዙሕ ጊዜ አይ ሳይንስ be careful physics ማለት physics a science of measurement ይባላል physics ማለት a science of measurement ብዙሕ ጊዜ ምስ ዓቅና ተታሓደ physics ካብ ካለት አይነት ትምህርቲ ፍሪ ዘብሎ SI ዩኒት ነው ዋና ባዓሉ ዓለም ለኸው ዝኾኑ አሃዱታት ነው SI ማለት ኮ ሲስተም ኢንተርናሽናል ስለዚህ ኩሉ ጊዜ ኣብ ፊዚክስ ኣብ ዝሕቱ እዚ ኣብቻ ዘይኮነ ሰብ ካሊኡ SI please be careful ተዓለም ለኸው መረዳዲ ሓዲና እንጥቀም ዝግባና አውዚ 2 ሴንቲሜትር ይለና ስለዚህ ሴንቲሜትር must be converted to the SI unit na meter ማለት because meter is the SI unit of length ካብዞም ሸውዓተ ቤዚክ ዝበሃሉ physical quantities ወይ ደግሞ fundamental quantities ዝበሃሉ ከም time በሰከንድ ይቀን temperature በkelvin amount of substance በሞል luminous intensity በካንዴላ length በሜትር mass kilogram time በሰከንድ ካብዞም ሸውዓተ ሓደ length ስለዚህ it must be converted to meter ያረኹማ ንሜትር ማዕላ ማለት 1 ሜትር ማለት 100 ሴንቲሜትር ስለሆነ እዚ አና ሜትር ማየር ሜትር ማዕላ 0.02 ሜትር ማጽያ ሪኳየርናታ እዩ to magnetic field B stands for magnetic field solution ስለዚህ magnetic field of current carrying conductor the nu ወይ ደግሞ electric constant permeability of space times the current over 2 pi r እዚ ዙሪያ እዩ በቃ ዙሪያ ናይዛ ኢንሰርክል ናዝ ክብ ነገር ስለተሰርሐለት magnetic field ነው ማለት ነው ስለዚህ ናይዚ አዋጋ ኮንስታንት ዚያ ጊቭን ያረባ ሁሉ ጊዜ ተባውቁም ያ ስለዚህ ዚያ አብለዕሊ ያን ያዘራኹም በዛውኛ ፓይ በዛ ፓይ ተጥፈዋ ስለዚህ 4 ዚና 4 times 10 to the power of -7 እዚ ዲቫይድ ገርና እንደይመጽ look this one. يرألن سلسته times 10 the power of negative 5 yet negative 5 Tesla. This is the strength of magnetic field for a current carrying wire. So the answer is سلسة in the power of negative 5 negative 5 Tesla. Tesla is the SI unit of magnetic field strength. Magnetic field strength is SI unit time. Tesla. So guys, this brings us to the end of our lesson for lesson unit 5 grade 10U مع 10 كفلي نعرف 5 magnetism. So as much as possible just I tried to deliver the lesson in very attractive manner. So you guys, if you like it, please try to share, subscribe it. Thank you for listening. Bye bye. I wish you good luck. This is Kin Academy, Kin Digital Academy. Subscribe. Bye bye.